Dow's up 50. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Hey, Bob.
Morning, guys. And Sarah's mentioning China bouncing today, but weak session overnight in China. Just take a look at the sectors, because what's happening is encouraging, a little bit of widening out, because we saw the sectors moving to the upside there. There we go. Thank you. Banks, energy, laggards moving up. China, which has been a notable laggard for weeks now, a little stronger today, although not in China. And semiconductors, which had a not great week last week, bouncing today. So two things I want to highlight, and Sarah mentioned China. Shanghai had a very weak session, down about 2%, and it is essentially up 1 or 2% for the year. That's been on a downward trajectory for weeks now. The Shenzhen, more growthier part, is essentially flat for the year after starting off really with a bang. So Sarah's right. The China data has been weaker. I think we get PMI for China on Thursday night. We'll keep an eye on that. The other thing is the semiconductors. A lot of big names were down mid-single, high single digits last week, including Intel, AMD, ST Micro, Skyworks, Broadcom, all bouncing a little bit today. But just let me show you what happened last week, because there were broader concerns about higher interest rates and maybe some slower growth. Intel was down almost 9%, AMD. So a lot of people have been calling for some kind of summer correction, as some of these names have had a big move up. And part of it arguably started last week. Meantime, this whole valuation question on big cap tech, people are still struggling to try to make it clear what is going on here. We're seeing seasonally lighter volumes coming after the end of the quarter this week. We're going to get seasonally lighter volumes, sky-high prices and valuation, and new words about higher rates. And that's kind of what put pressure on some of the big cap tech names last week. Chris Harvey over at Wells Fargo and others have been very colorful, trying to describe how big $3 trillion is. That's the market cap of Apple. David and I had a discussion about this a few weeks ago, and a lot of people were incredulous about these numbers we were putting up. But it's true. And Chris Harvey adopted this over the weekend. $2.9 trillion Apple is about the same as the GDP of France. People find this perhaps not the best way to make apples-to-apples comparison, but it gives you an idea of how big these companies really are. Microsoft is as big as Italy at this point, $2.5 trillion and $2.2 trillion for the Italian economy. Alphabet as big as Mexico, 1.7 roughly a piece for Mexico compared to Alphabet, and you can see that. Then you can go on and on with this. The whole point is these numbers are absolutely enormous. The bull case is that AI is going to continue to drive valuations higher, and that AI is going to do for valuations what the internet did for some companies in the 1990s. That's the bull scenario. Others have different opinions. Finally, just want to talk about, David was talking about some M&A deals, but we have some big IPOs coming this week. The IPO market is starting to open up. We talked about this several weeks ago with Kava. This week, Fidelis down here at the NYC on Thursday. It's a big property, global property reinsurer, $300 million. Kodai Gas Services, big natural gas. Savers Value Village. This is the largest for-profit thrift operator in the United States. And just this morning, a big Mexican commercial real estate firm announced they were going probably on Friday morning here at the NYC, Vesta Real Estate. This is Mexican real estate. So yes, these are niche players, and no, guys, we don't have the big tech names that are out there, the unicorns. But Carl, the market is definitely starting to open up a little bit for IPOs.